What's up YouTube? Today's the day where I'm gonna put on the Hayabusa dual slip-ons. I'm gonna get rid of these Chinese slip-ons. And before I begin, I'm gonna remove the silencer because you can see how much of a restriction this is gonna be. I want the full experience, you know? And all you gotta do is remove this Allen in here. Check this out, eh? What a difference. And I'm gonna go from these exhaust outlets to this. Look at that, man. Wow. I think that's gonna make a good difference. And a better sound, and it's gonna look better. We have the hardware here. The brackets for the mufflers. We got these collar thingies, and they go in between the muffler and the pipe, which is those over there. And now with these pipes, there's a left and a right. It has this tab here for the springs. So does the muffler. So the muffler here, that's the top side. That bracket thingy is gonna be underneath. So this part goes on your headers with a clamp. So obviously if you put it on this side, right, that's gonna end up on the top, so that doesn't belong there. So this is for this side. That goes to the header, the clamp, and then this guy is underneath for the spring. And then lastly, we got two stickers that will go on the muffler. Now my first step is gonna be to remove the old mufflers. Pretty simple, just a clamp down here, and I'm gonna remove it from up here and take it out in one piece. This one already, I can feel it's lighter than those, but I bet you those are better quality. Okay guys, these old mufflers, I can feel them, they're lighter than those, but those I can feel like they're better made. So let's weigh them. Okay, let's see. We have Hong Kong, China. It weighs 4.2 kilograms, and that would be 9.3 pounds. Now let's see the good old Hayabusa. Pipes, these thingies, brackets, hardware, and mufflers. Yeah, this bag feels heavy already. Well, it's not a big difference, but 5.4 kilograms, so it's a little bit heavier, and 11.9 pounds. And that's with the silencer thingies removed, without the stickers as well. I'm also gonna put the weight of the stock exhaust, which was really heavy. I measured that when I took it off to put those Chinese ones. Holy cow, these puppies are heavy. Okay, the moment of the truth. Okay, we got 14 kilograms, 31.1 pounds. And before I pop these on, I wanna say I'm gonna have the links in the description of the video. I don't know if it's still gonna be available because I got these a few months ago. They're on a steep sell. Just the clamp, I'm gonna make it point out the other way so I can tighten it better. So that's gonna go on just like that. Leave it loose for now because you gotta figure out the angle. My goodness, look at that, eh? Nothing better like a brand new exhaust. Damn, look at that, man. That's like started from the bottom, now we're here. Started from the bottom, now my whole team fucking here. This bolt is that one right there. So that's gonna go like this, followed by this guy here. And then you get one of the brackets. Make sure this rubber is popped on. Okay, here it is. It was a fighter, but just some patience and you'll get it. Clamp goes on, and that thing we built, it's gonna go like this. You put it on the bike, and behind you put a washer and the nut. And of course, this goes in between the muffler and the pipe. There's a inside and outside. This part is gonna go on the pipe. It won't go on this way. This side here, it has a lip. You see the lip? So this side goes on the muffler. Of course, I didn't notice that and I put it in backwards. 50-50 chance, and I messed it up. I put it in the wrong way, so now I gotta take it out. And one other thing I'm seeing here, that this gets scratched really easy. Look at this. Damn! It just touched like the nut here and the bolt, whatever, and it got scratched. So this, it's okay because this is going to be the inside anyways towards the motorcycle. But I just want to point it out, be careful. So I'm going to use this rag here now.
Tip, leave the plastic wrapping on until you're ready to install.
Don't be a fool like him.
Okay guys, here it is. I took it out. It was a little bit difficult, but before you put on, make sure which side goes where. You see, like it goes on here, then it stops on that lip. I'm gonna put it in the correct way now. Okay. And only on the side I'm gonna put this on, they want you to put this spacer. That's the one I just showed you right here. This side doesn't have it. Let's see approximately where this is gonna end up. Right there. So now I'm gonna tweak it a little bit so I can reach up here. And make sure the pipe is pushed in all the way and the muffler is pushed in all the way. Okay guys, guess what? I made another mistake. You gotta use the longer bolt for that side because you're using that sleeve. And guess what? 50-50 chance, and I got that wrong as well. So I will swap out this bolt. Okay, this side is on, but I haven't tightened anything yet. Show you guys here, it's the bolt, the special washer. On this side only, you use this sleeve. And then back here, it's another washer with the nut. Okay guys, I have both mufflers on. Again, everything is loose. I'm gonna make that snug, make this snug, same thing on the other side. Compare it, make sure everything is straight, and then put the springs. I have the mufflers where I want them. This one came out perfect. I just had to tweak this one a little bit. Man, look at that, eh? Looks really beefy. So next off, I'm gonna put the springs, and you put it on with the supplied spring tool that they give you. That wasn't bad. Now all we have to do is clean up a little bit and put the stickers on. Alright guys, look at that. Mission complete. Look at that, man. Damn, I can't get enough of this. Okay, now I have the power commander. If I remember correctly, I have the map for the slip-ons on the little vanes. If not, I'm gonna check it out another time. This way I can get the maximum gains. Okay guys, and before I start up, I want to point out that I have clearance for the kickstand. However, this is an aftermarket one. Here's the clearance. I'm just pointing this out because on this exhaust, when I had the original kickstand, I had to smash it in here a little bit so it would clear. But with the aftermarket one, there's no issue with clearance. And I'm not sure if you use this one from the get-go with the original stand, if that's gonna clear or not. If you do try it, please leave a comment and let everyone else know. All right, let's fire up this baby and go for a little ride. Okay, broskies, here it is. I'm gonna do the first fire up. I got the GoPro camera there. I'm not gonna go too crazy because it's about to rain and it's getting dark. Oh man, that sounds really beefy already. Damn. That sounds a lot beefier, my friends. Oh yeah. Oh man. My goodness. Ooh, I'm not kidding guys, it sounds so nice. I'm not gonna do anything crazy, just nice and easy. I don't have my gear on, and like I said, it's about to rain, so let's see what we got. Oh man, it's pretty loud. Wow, it is pretty loud guys, I'm not gonna lie. And I have a catalytic converter on the bike. It's not like it's removed. Whoa. Okay, it feels a lot torqueier too. There's definitely more torque than the other slip-ons that I had. Oh yeah. Okay, and some of you might wonder, hey, why you didn't put a complete system? Most of the complete systems, like if you want to do headers plus the muffler, they come as a single muffler. They only have one muffler. They don't have, I like the dual mufflers. It makes the bike look more beefy, you know. So that's why I got these. They do sell headers, like separate headers for dual mufflers, but they're kind of like, yeah, the brand, you know, it's not like a really known brand, and they seem kind of cheap. Plus I don't like how the exhaust smells without the cat. That's another thing.
Why are you gay?
Oh man, it does sound beefier compared to the other exhaust. It's pretty loud, guys. At least the sky looks like it's clearing up now. Otherwise, if it starts raining, I'm gonna be like that song, if you like pina coladas, getting caught in the rain, and you're into yoga, and you have half a brain.
If you like pina coladas,
I'm gonna be singing that song. Yeah, this sucker pulls nice now, with a complimentary exhaust sound. Oh my god, I think I'm feeling a few droplets. Oh yes I am. Damn it, man. Oh my god, day and night, guys, with the exhaust. Crap. I'm not bullshitting, man. This, it freaking pulls nice now. Oh my god, I was wasting my time all this time. I can't believe it. Oh man, this sounds like it has big ahuenas now. Holy crap, man. Damn. My god. I felt the front end get light, like it lifted a little bit, just in second gear like that. Just the noise, it's a little bit on the edge, like too loud, but I think I'm gonna get used to it and live with it. Plus, you want the bike to be a little bit loud, honestly, because of the idiots that can't see you. At least they might hear you, maybe. Oh man, it definitely pulls, man. I can't get enough of it. It definitely pulls. Damn, what a bike. What a freaking machine. Okay guys, that's gonna be all I got for you today. If you want to see similar videos, all you gotta do is subscribe. And of course, make sure that bell thingy is on so you get the notification.